Hello YouTube, got a couple of quick unboxings to do. So I just got my Mossy Oak in the mail. Let's open her up. Nice knives. Nice packaging. Nice and heavy. So, right off the bat, we have the field dress. Oh no, this is a whittling knife. That's a nice knife. Nice little knife. Nice throwing knife. Nice screw around with knife. Let's see if they're sharp right off the bat. Oops. Semi-sharp. Probably have to do a little bit of sharpening. Ooh, well, that's a field dressing knife. Well, it's pretty heavy. So, just for skinning. Ooh, that's pretty sharp. Yeah, that's pretty sharp. Nice one. That's a nice 10.5-inch knife from Mossy Oak. That's beautiful. I'm gonna have to take them out in the field. Probably just needs to test that little bit of sharpening and it should be just fine. So that's all three. I think they're pretty nice. They're really good quality. They're very, very comfortable to hold on to. And the weight is like just really nice and comfortable. It's the right weight, so it would be really good for batoning and all kinds of stuff. So I would give it a thumbs up. I really like it. So that's it. Thank you, YouTube. See you on the next one. Maybe out on the trail when I take them out for a test. Alright, thank you.